Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been a minute since I posted a vlog, but I haven't gone anywhere. So I am going back to Vegas, and this time we're gonna live it up even more, okay? So if you haven't checked out the first time I went to Vegas, make sure that you guys check that vlog series out. I will have that linked in the cards and the description as well. So it's currently 8:12. My flight is at 5 and I still have to finish packing my bag. Excuse my voice. I think I left my mouth open when I was sleeping because it's a little sore. But yeah, what I still have to do, I still have to pack my makeup, pack my toiletries. I have to take these nails off, put another press-on set on, and then go to the nail salon to get my toes done and just straighten out my room before I leave. I have to leave out of here at 3 or 2:15, whichever one. And yeah, so it's going to be an exciting time. So the first time I went to Vegas, that was like at the height of the pandemic, so everything was still closed, or it was closing early. So, and there wasn't a lot of people out there as well, which is a good thing, don't get me wrong. So I'm expecting more people. I'm expecting more things to be open. Yes, we're still wearing our mask, don't get it twisted. We're wearing our mask. Alright, you guys, made it to Simone's house. A little airport fit check. Bowie sweatshirt, always rep your HBCU. Black leggings from Misguided, and black socks from Target. Still waiting on D and Tayani to get here. Miss Girl's in her bonnet. I don't know if she wants to be seen yet. Our flight is at 5:30. One stop in LAX, and then we'll be off to Vegas. Simona's going downstairs to get Tayani now. We're still waiting on D. Don't know where he is. And then let's see, I don't even know what time it is because my phone's on the charger, but we scheduled to be at the airport at 3, no later than 3:30, because we don't know how many people are traveling during this time. I'm excited to see. Did I introduce myself? If I didn't, hey guys, if you are new, my name is Amir. Welcome to the channel. I hope you subscribe, or I hope you're going to subscribe after you finish watching this vlog, or during this vlog. Give it a big thumbs up. So we're gonna be out there for 4 days. We come back Sunday night, and depending on what we do, this will probably be split into 3 parts. Hey, girl, you about to get cussed out?
Me?
Yes, you.
I told you I was gonna be on time.
They talk about you still in College Park.
I was leaving eventually.
You look like a tennis player.
Alright.
No, I'm sorry. You look like
the shirt?
yeah, like a Beverly Hills mom. Well, no, without the flip flop. But the outfit is giving that. We literally just had to run. Do you see the sweat? Because
Why am I going? It's the nails. I was actually.
it's the nails.
No, our first driver canceled on us.
Nope, it was the nails.
The same thing. That was
We were supposed to be here a whole hour ago. We just had to run. From Timbuktu. I bust my finger. Wait, hold on. Bust my finger.
It's not just us though. The guy was right behind us too.
Yeah. First of all, when we got to the little thing, the lady was like, it's too late to check in our bags. We're supposed to be here 45 minutes ago. So she was like, you gotta get to the special line. Simone, no, this man stopped Simone, and he helped us out. So the other two ladies was looking at us like, kill.
It doesn't say like work comfort.
They can honestly go to hell.
No, for real.
And we did all that running, and ain't nobody on the plane.
I don't know that man's name, but shout out to.
They announced that it was boarding.
Shout out to the light skinned man
with the glasses. That lady next to him can go to hell.
Both of them.
I mean, if I worked here, that would have been me. They're late.
No, because it's like he knew the
And
situation.
I came up very polite. I said, good morning. I said, hello. How are you? Kill. Hey y'all, it's officially day one.
Day one, and it's only 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. We are headed to
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven and Starbucks.
Yeah. We need some essentials.
Need some coffee.
It smells really good.
This hotel's very nice.
Can I get this in a bottle?
The air, like the air.
Since it's Cinco de Mayo, we are going to Senior Frog and
Beer park. Wherever.
Beer Park. Yeah.
And then wherever the people are at, that's wherever they are.
Yeah. We don't have any plans for the nighttime as of yet. We're just gonna play it by ear. But this hotel is really, really nice. Like, I'm gonna show y'all when we get back. So I have a vacation skincare routine that will be up before or after this vlog, because I know I sped through it. So a full in-depth one will be up, so make sure you keep a lookout on that. Make sure that you have your bell post notification on as well, so you'll know when videos are up and live. Excuse my voice, it is still gone. Hopefully it'll come back soon, but it's so dry. It's so dry. And the plane didn't make it any better, and the room didn't make it any better.
That's a nice room, though.
Huh?
That's a nice room.
Yeah, the room is really nice. I'll also do like a little MTV Cribs room tour when we get back. It's a little slept in, so y'all just gonna have to. Oh, and if I didn't say before, we are staying at the Conrad. We have the Encore right here. The Strat is behind that big building right there. We will be going to that for dinner one night. So that should be in part 2 or 3. That should be in there. Outfit check. I'm turning on the lights. Alright, so the bralette is from Misguided. Flannel is Pretty Little Thing. Pants Pretty Little Thing. And these Converse with a couple of rings from Shein. So this is what we're giving for today. And expect some pictures on the gram. And if you're not following me, then you're gonna miss out. I'm gonna do the 40. Yeah.
Get you local bowl.
I want to see how the. Oh, that is the 40. Okay.
No, you're fine. We're all together anyway.
Currently at Beer Park, where we were, the last spot, Jargon's, was good. Harding? Oh, Harding. That place was really good. The French toast was A1.
For me?
Steak and eggs was bomb. Steak and eggs was bomb.
What? Oh,
Eggs was bomb.
lobster Benedict is what I had. It was great.
No, I was waiting on him. I had one of their energy drinks, and it was really good. What's that?
I was like, instead of adding an extra shot, it's good to see your first
Can I do the Georgia and the mango mix? Can I get tequila? Can I do the 40? Yes.
I can't do it.
Sorry, your braid my shin. I thought it was an animal.
Did you want to make that a double today?
Why not?
Luckily, she has friends that can dress. I've seen some of y'all friends. I'm talking about you. Your friends can't dress.
Yes.
Amir's not prepared to pay, so she embarrassing us.
And that is why we need a Savior. That is why the Lord Jesus Christ came to this world 2,000 years ago, born of a virgin, conceived by the Holy Spirit, and lived a perfect, holy, sinless life.
Jesus loved me. I don't know about him, but God loved me. I can't find any money on my single dollar.
You already paid?
Huh?
You already paid?
Yeah, but I was gonna leave a tip. But I can't find any of my dollars.
Are you going to live forever in this body?
I just want to know why people take time out of their day, in hot weather to tell somebody that Jesus don't love him.
You're getting older. Why? Because you're dying. Sin is killing you. First death is in the body. Second death is in the lake of fire.
Okay. So if you are coming to Vegas, here are the key essentials that you need. And they have a Walgreens on every corner. So you don't have to go far to get any snacks. Water, essential water, 9.5 pH. They sell them in a pack of 6 for $15. Get that.
Invest in it.
Next one that you need, Pedialyte. You can get the strawberry or you get the blue raspberry. They also come unflavored. You get grape, you get fruit punch. For all my energy drinkers out there, get you a pack of Red Bull. If you don't like this kind, they have flavors. For example, you can get the watermelon or you can do the strawberry apricot.
Period.
Red Bull, what's up? If you see this, sponsor me. Popcorn. If you want to stay healthy on this trip, get the Skinny Pop. Band-Aids. Ladies, if you forget your shavers, your razors. And you know you gotta have the snacks on deck. You gotta have the chips, the pretzels, gummy worms. Ooh, grandma ass picked this up.
What up?
He's trying.
Leave my little wafers alone. I couldn't buy cookies. Grandma ate. They're so good.
If you like wafers, get you some wafers.
Oh my god. Those taste like this sponges.
Don't. That's how she paused for me. She's like, hello?
And they also have these dollar pack of iced oatmeal cookie bites. These was only $1. 120 calories. Get you some Pepper Rich Farm cookies,
Can I find those?
Pepper Ridge.
some Doritos, and some Utz. Oh, and don't forget your sunscreen over here. We use Sunbum. If you have sensitive skin, get the mineral sunscreen. It works best, okay? I don't have any irritation on my skin, so we love that.
Think about it from here all day.
Hello?
What?
I would like to be able to experience that without the dying part.
Clorox wipes too. And if you don't wipe down any of the surfaces when you get to a hotel room, you need to go talk to Jesus because you're dirty. That's all for my grocery haul. Well, our grocery haul. We will see you in the next clip.
No, but like so much has happened in the past 6 minutes with that guy. It was
Okay, that won't be going in.
Not at all. No.
You're
you
racist!
do my cutscene and you go straight to you. That won't be fun.
This fool rolling
No,
around
but
like
he was
fucking
like,
SpongeBob.
very
He a roly poly.
Oh my god. I keep telling you, I just can't control my body, but my mind is aware.
Get that note. You lost another soldier? No. What? I hit this shit out my face.
That wasn't why it was funny. Sorry.
What?
Yes, said you hit that note.
Oh.
You know, I'm so talented. I don't know when, you know, it just pops out. Y'all over here geeking.
Like geeking. She's like a DMV girl.
When's the last time you heard somebody say
Right.
Let's just talk about it.
No, that really hurt.
What is this thing? Let me read because like yeah, this is not a lot. And I gave Tammy a little bit.
A little bit.
Let me see. You want to pull it out?
Hey guys.
Simone definitely gives ghetto.
You do. You are giving
Ghetto.
a little southeast.
It's the bonnet, the lashes.
It's the tattoos.
Please stop. I'm a good person.
Like a person.
No, because I don't want to give ghetto baby, okay?
It's the way you sitting. It's the ankle knit. It's the long braid.
It's the nail.
A little twang.
You know, I don't want to mess up mine.
She said her highest putting it.
No, I don't want to mess up my
I don't know
hair.
that terminology.
It's putting her down.
No, I just don't want to
Be
mess up my
in
hair.
control of your body.
No.
Right, I gotta do that.
So I was like, you're putting a lot of pressure on
No,
me.
I was talking to Simone.
I'm about to say, that's crazy.
I didn't hear what you said.
Me?
No, it's young.
Oh,
Her just pass it down. Did you record all that?
yeah.
Good luck.
I was not listening, so whatever y'all say, it's gonna be news to me.
No, she should be.
What was I talking about?
You could just.
Cause I heard the noise.
No, you know
so
you should be.
all I heard was wah, wah, wah.
And she put like the crunch.